Welcome, dear viewers. Today I will show you that's how you can add plugin with a slider. So you have to select Smarter Slider 3. I selected this and go to your plugin, your WordPress website, and here is it. You can activate if this is not activate. So my Smarter Slider 3 activated. So I take this. You have to take different types of slider, but this is very easy. And go to home page. I will add slider in my home page in this sections. So for the reasons, I have to go this page and just click here, and you have to say go to these sections, and here you can go and search the slider. Okay, whenever slider, and it will come and drop and drag this here, and that slider will be selected. And whenever there is a problem, you have to ensure go to the plugin and go to the slider. Okay, this is click here, and the slider will be show to you. Here you have to click, and you have to go here. There is lots of create a new project if you want, or start with ready template. Here is a start with ready template, and you have to select here. There is a all kinds of you have to select free. So we can select free. If you didn't select free, that time you have to pay some sort of slider. Okay, so here all are free slide. So I am showing you free slide today. So how you can use these in your WordPress website, in your home page, or in your contact page, or anything. So if you go to the preview, that time that slider will be that's the feature. Okay, it's a video slider. You have to select the video and select here. You can cancel this, select here. Whenever you select it, that slider will be activated and showing there is a 1 2 3 4 5, and you have to add some slider here, and also you can custom that slider. Okay, by that way there is a different types of size and different types of color, different types of background images you have to select here. Directly you have to take the created slider. That's not be taken so much. Here will be created arrows, how much arrows you have to take, and or how much you have to provide in your slider. Okay, that's very simple, and anyone can do theirs in your WordPress website. There is lots of slider, but which is smart slider is a free. That time you have to select this and you have to customize that slider, but this is very taken a lengthy process. You have to drag and drops here, and you can write here for your slider, and you can add different kinds of link, YouTube or your blogs or your website, or backlinks also you can take add here. And there is a sort of selected if you select these, and the slider will be shown there, and here you can customize this, edit it, and you can paste your YouTube or your different types of sort. I told you again, and I'm going to my website YouTube, and I take videos URL here and paste here, and I edit something here. That's how it's look like, or how the visitors will come, and then time how the slide will they love to watch and search. Okay, and there is different types of options that you can edit. Okay, here the slide will come, my URL YouTube's link, and you can edit and delete some sort of options here. I'm showing you here. You can take okay, there is a, and I select these, and you can select a different types of options here. This is for you. I'm just showing you how you can add your slider in your pages, or in your menu bar, or in your contact us page, and different types of space you can use it, or also you can add in your also in your post. Okay, this is very simple, and how much persons that will be, and how ratio that will be engages in your slider. This is very simple, anyone can do that. Okay, so there is lots of options. You can take that options in how much you can engage this. Okay, and then whenever you finish it, and then go and save, that slider will be shown to you. So I hope that will be help you, and right, that's okay. Settings and everything's are here. You can add also more images from here in the slider. Okay, so and also you can add here different kinds of URL, and different kinds of sorts of page, post, and link, many things. So I hope next slide will be we are going to. Okay, here we go. That's how our slide will be shown in our home page. Okay, so if you select this, it's a auto template. You can select it, and that will be shown this type of slide. Okay, you can edit it, but no need, because this is a ready template. So this is very easy, and anyone can use this easy template. Though this is another person's slider making, other companies, so sure that you have to do that. Okay, which templates which slider you can use? We can using here video template. So for that instance, we have to select a video here, a video template, and going to the next level. Okay, so I crossing this and show what's about this. We leaving this already, we have added the template. So we can go to our site in home page. We go to pages, all pages, and go to the home page. How about that slider we're looking at? Okay, this is home page my, and I have to add these in these the slider. Okay, go to the slider. We already edit and customize slider. I just drop and down here, the slide came. Okay, there is a demo slider and tutorial slider. We have to select it already. That's slider, you know. So that's all. Whenever you refresh this, and the slider are ready. So here are the slider you are looking. Just I am showing you in example. So this way you can create awesome and colorful for your websites, and brings more traffics, I hope. By that way you can add slider in your home page, contact us, or about us pages, and your blog. So I hope it's help you, and if you like this, thumbs up, and suggestion me if anything's happen. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watch my this table. Please subscribe my channel, bell the ring, that whenever I uploaded new videos, you can watch the videos at fast time. Thank you very much for watching the slider, and hope next time you have to try your best slider about in your WordPress website. So here are the slider. Whenever you click that's arrow button, and you can watch the slider. Okay, here are the ready-made slider you were watching, and all our video slider. I hope it will help you for much better for your WordPress website. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel and thumbs ups, and support my channel also by commenting or advising or sharing. Thank you very much for watching the video.